the Pixel 50 channel wireless microphone. Quick unboxing and review just after that. Bonjour à tous, hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I have many questions actually about what kind of gear I'm using, especially my microphone gear for my video. And to answer this question, it's very simple. You saw in the beginning of the video, I'm actually using the Pixel WV9 50 channel wireless microphone, which I'm wearing right now. So the sound that you are actually hearing is directly from this wireless microphone connected to me, and the receiver is on my Osmo Pocket, connected with the Osmo Pocket audio adapter directly from the DJI website. But anyway, let's go right away to the unboxing of the beast, and after I will tell you a little bit more about it, and we are going also to check the range, because according to the specs, this microphone have a range over 330 feet, which is around 100 meters, so which is not bad for a wireless microphone. Usually you don't need to go that far away unless you are recording, for example, a football event, and then you have your guy with a microphone far away on the field. Otherwise, you should not be at 300 feet from your camera. Usually you are a couple of feet, so it's plenty enough of range, but I'm going to test that just to show you what this microphone can do. Unboxing the UHF wireless microphone system, it's pretty straightforward. It comes in this nice packaging, which inside the cardboard box there is actually a nice case, very professionally made, as you can see. It reminds me of the professional case that you carry around in the audio video department. Then inside the case you have, here we go, so user manual and the quick instruction cards right there, and you have, here is the transmitter, alright, with a clip, with the belt clip in the back, and the button for setting on the front, and the port for the microphone with the antenna. And then you have the receiver with dual antennas on the top, and various ports here to plug it to your cameras or SLR cameras if they can record video. And of course equipped with a clip for the belt in the back as well. What else we have? We have a small dead cat accessory here, so to get the wind on your microphone. And then we have an adapter that allows you to adapt your TRS jack connector to a TRRS connector in case if your device needs one to function correctly. So you plug this side the TRS connector, and the other side you have the TRRS connector that you connect to your device. Then you have your normal tie microphone with a spare foam, so that's really useful, because those foam usually don't last too long. So here it is, your clip-on microphone, and this is very useful, especially for me that use a camera that has this plug for audio inputs on the side for some of my filming. So this plug is very useful. Otherwise you have the classic connector, which is the classic jack, 3.5 millimeter and right angle on the other side. So this goes to your receiver and the other side goes to your camera. Or you can use, of course, this one that goes, this side goes to the receiver and the other side plug to your audio system or camera if it's equipped with this particular plug. What else in the box? Well, it's pretty empty except for this adapter, which is really useful. It allows you to adapt actually the the belt clip from the back of the microphone. You clip that on, and then you have a hot shoe that you can mount on your camera or tripod if it's equipped with an accessory for hot shoe. That way you can mount those easily using this adapter. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward, very easy to set up. It has a LCD display where you can set up your channel. It has, like I said earlier, 50 different channels. The thing I noticed though, it's that you cannot set the frequency. You can only set the channel. The frequency are tied to the channel. For example, if you put channel 1, like I'm using right now, I'm using frequency 666.125, and I cannot change that. But if I go channel 2, there will be a different frequency, channel 3, etc., etc. So I can change the channel until 50 on my transmitter and my receiver on the camera, but I cannot change the frequency it uses. That should still allow you to have a big range of operation in case if you use it where it's very crowded with Wi-Fi and other people using wireless microphone. You have a good way for you to be out of their channel and have your own channel setup very quickly. You saw the unboxing. Now let's do a little test range to see how far we can go with this microphone before to lose connection. Microphone distance testing. I did some pre-check of the field behind me already, and I put some mark each 10 meters up to 100 meters. And I'm going to go all the way to the 100 meters mark, and let's see if you still hear me correctly. Then I will try to go a little bit further than the 100 meter mark and see if the microphone performs as good as before or if it's going to drop. Let's go and test that right now. Also today I will have my DJI Mavic Pro 2 right there that is going to come with me on setup on active track, and is going to go all the way up with me, because on this camera you are going to see me very small, so I will keep talking to my drone. That way at any time you will see where I am as I go uphill right there. Alright, let's test that right now. So, easy peasy, everything is checked out on my drone. Everything works, it's tracking me, and I'm going back. So we are past the 20-meter mark. So I don't know if you are still hearing me. Normally it should be no problem at all right now for this section. We are reading what the manufacturer said that it will work. So from 0 to 100 meters should be no problem, unless there is some interference on the channel that I'm using right now here, which is channel 1 on this microphone. Let's keep going. All right. It's a nice day today. A little bit windy, but for the Mavic Pro 2, the wind is not a problem. As you can see, it handled the wind pretty well. Let's go again. I passed the 50-meter mark. Should be no problem still on the sound. You should be able to listen to me correctly, to hear me correctly. It's a little bit of sport to go backward like that on uphill. Hopefully I'm not going to trip on something. Drone is still doing okay. Everything is good here. Suntaki still tracking me all right. All right. Now, not far from the 100-meter mark, which I see right there. You should be able to hear me still without any problem, because here I'm on the open field. There is no building in the area, a little bit of tree right there, but I'm on direct line of sight from here to the receiver, which is on the Osmo Pocket over there, and should be no problem at all. Woo! Here we go. That's the 100-meter mark right here. All right. Right, at this point, guys, we are at the 100-meter mark. How this microphone perform? Well, you tell me. But I think should be no problem here at the 100-meter mark. So let's try it a bit more, shall we? Okay, going back a little bit more. Keep talking, let's see when it's going to drop up. Unfortunately, I didn't measure after the 100-meter mark, so I don't know how far away I am now. But if you can still hear me, let's say that this microphone performs very well, which I think it does. It's a very professional made microphone, and also for the price, compared to the very well-known brands that are very expensive, I think you get way more than what you pay for. So I definitely recommend this microphone to you guys, this wireless microphone, of course. All right. Woo, the camera and my equipment over there looks very small. I don't know how much I went back. I will say maybe 30 meter, 40 meter back, something like that. I'm going to stop here. If you can still hear me, let's call it a good. And hopefully it still works. And now I'm going back to my base. And that was all live here, well, live at the time here to test the functionality of this wireless microphone, which is really an amazing piece of equipment. And now, back to the studio. So that was all. We saw the unboxing, you saw the range testing, and how to set up quickly those devices. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hi. All right, this was live. Oops. Oh, it's not what it needs to be.